Okay, in this video I want to show you how to change the clock on a Samsung microwave oven. This is one of the newer models. And the exact model is ME18H. That's installed into the cabinetry. And so to change the clock, what you're going to do is go to the control panel here, and you're going to click clock, and that's going to give you a 0 dial. And then you want to hit whatever the new time is. So if it's 2:22, for example, then you want to hit clock again. And if it's AM, you just keep it there. If it's PM, you hit clock one more time, get to PM, and then you're going to click enter. And that's pretty much it. There you go. That's your Samsung microwave clock. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your week, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, thanks again.